Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this flower choker. I'll be using this navy scuba fabric, navy thread and a needle, a lighter, navy satin ribbon, a chalk, ruler, scissors, black glue stick and glue gun. Now I'll show you how I make this flower choker. First, I'll create a pattern from this navy fabric. I'm marking 4.5 centimeter wide pattern, cutting this pattern out, and this pattern length is 85 centimeters. So I have cut out two pattern pieces, and each pattern piece is 4.5 centimeters by 85 centimeters. Next, I'm taking these scissors and I'm cutting round shapes like that, so it's basically like a flower petal, and we'll be cutting these round shapes all along both pattern pieces like that. So this is how it looks, and each round pattern piece which I have cut out is approximately 3.5 centimeters wide, approximately each pattern piece, as you can see, 3.5 centimeters. I'll repeat the same process on both pattern pieces, and here they are. I have cut out all of the round shapes. Next I will gather this edge, top edge, where's the straight side, and I'm sewing up and down stitch, and I'm gathering this straight edge, and it looks like that. And I'm continuing gathering that straight edge, so it looks like that, and I'll repeat the same process on all of the straight edges. So first pattern piece is gathered. As you can see, I have gathered it very tightly, and now I will join other pattern piece. I'm sewing up and down stitch on a straight edge, and I'm joining that pattern piece to other one. I'm gathering second pattern piece same way all along this edge, and here are both pattern pieces gathered together very tightly, as you can see. Next I will create a flower from these gathered edges. So I will be turning this edge inside like that, and I'm turning it again, and I'm sewing all these edges together like that. Next I'm repeating the same process. I'm turning these edges around like that, so I'm basically turning them all around, so it's one circle of the gathered edges, and I'm sewing them all together like that. I'm wrapping the rest of the gathered edge around like that. I have wrapped all of the gathered edge all around, and this is kind of like a circle there, and I will sew all of the gathered edges together and that end corner as well, so all of the gathering is securely sewed all around. So I have sewed all of the gathered edges together, and my flower is prepared, and it looks like that. Next I will cut out fabric piece to cover this stitching. I'm cutting a square out, and now I'm cutting a circle shape, approximately 4.5 centimeter diameter, and it will cover that stitching there. Next I'll cut this satin ribbon, which will be 1 meter 30 centimeters long, and this satin ribbon is 1 centimeter wide. I'm burning edges on each end of this satin ribbon so the edges don't fray, folding it in half, and that's going to be center, so I'm creating a crease there so I know where the center is. Next I'm applying hot glue at the back of the flower choker there, in a center, in a line like that, gluing this satin ribbon in a center there. Next I'm applying hot glue all over the gathered stitching like that, all over, and I'm gluing this circle piece on top so it covers all of the stitching, pressing all layers together quite hard so they stick well, and this is how it looks. So this is the back side and this is the front side of the flower choker, and my flower choker is finished. And now I will put my flower choker on my mannequin, and it looks like that. So you can wear it this way with both ribbons hanging at the front, or you can put it at the back and you have just only one line showing at the front as a choker, or you can create a ribbon bow at the front. This is super cute. If you have any questions how I made this flower choker, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Love, Anita.